So hello friends, how are you all, and welcome back to another video. So in this video I will be doing a fake unboxing, and for disclaimer, everything that I will be showing in this video is made by me. I'm just unboxing them for you guys to enjoy. As you all know that I have just completed my recent journal and I have made an flip through video. So here I have made some more journaling supplies, so I'm gonna just unbox them. So without any further ado, let's get started. So here are the two packages that I made. So I've used the last packaging for pack them. Let's unbox them. First of all, I'm going to unbox this one. Let's get this. Okay then, I'm just gonna cut it out. Please ignore background noises as I'm living in a busy street. So first of all, the first thing that I got are these two memo pads. They're to-do list memo pads. It took a long time to make all of these supplies, so that's why the videos are a little bit late. I know you guys were waiting for it. Now I will try to be regular on YouTube and make regular videos. You can suggest me some more ideas for videos, like what I should make next. And then I got the poster stickers. Let me show you guys one by one. How cute are they? Okay, let me show you these one by one. Let me put them back. Let's move towards the next thing. The next thing I got is this Pantone cards. I saw some of the YouTubers using them, so I decided to make them and use them in my journalings. So here are they. There are a variety of colors in them. Next I got these two sticker boxes. Let's unbox them. First let me just cut these threads around it. And this is one of my favorite product in this unboxing. They are one of my favorite product in this unboxing. So first of all, I'm going to unbox these purple or pink one. Let's open it. Oh my god, they're so cute. I really like the designs. And let me show you one by one. Oh my god, this one is so cute. You can see here a cat sitting on the wall. I mean fences. Okay, now let's unbox this blue one. And yes, you guys can also suggest me a journaling theme on which theme I should do journaling. So that's it. The packet is empty. Let's put them aside and unbox the second pack. Here it is, the second pack. Okay, let me cut the package. I think there is a lot of stuff in this. Let's unbox. First of all, I got these washi tapes. I'm saying this again, please ignore the background noises. In 6 colors. The first one is pink. So here it is, the second color, which is green. Third color is yellow, blue, black, and red. There are 6 major colors. Now let's put it back. So the next thing I got is these phrases stickers. They are very simple packaging. Let's unbox them. They are in different sizes and colors. They will look beautiful in my journaling. I guess the video will be a little bit long. I hope you guys will enjoy it. And the next thing I'm going to unbox is these stickers. There are 2 types of stickers. The first one is these Korean stickers and the second one is retro plant stickers for journaling. So first of all, I'm going to unbox these Korean stickers. The quantity is less but the product is cute. And the second thing is retro plant stickers for journaling. And this is my second favorite product. Okay, then put them back. The next thing I got is this washi tape, vintage washi tape. Let's unbox it. Yeah, don't forget to enjoy the ASMR. See how cute is this? I will try to make some tutorials of DIY journaling supplies if you guys will be interested in that. Okay then, next I got these circle stickers. They are in rough packaging as I was tired making them. Anyway, let's open the box. Here are they. I'm gonna use them in my journalings, mini journalings. They are in different colors. Okay then, let's move toward the final product. I'm really excited for that, and it is one of my favorite products in this haul. I got a new threading binder. This is a DIY threading binder. We will be journaling in this new binder. Okay, let's unbox it. It it is looking a really realistic. So here are some refills, and this is the binder. My last one was in silver color, but this one is in pink color. This cute little details. This is the binder, and here it is my real binder, and it is the DIY binder. They're looking a little bit same, but the size is small. The real one size is small than the DIY one. And here is the keyring for this binder. I hope didn't cut the keyring. Yeah. So here it is. So here I've put the keyring in it, and it is looking more beautiful than my expectations. See? Okay, now let me put the refills inside it. Now let's see. I put the refill inside it. Let's open it. It is working smoothly. And you guys can suggest me the theme, what theme you want me to journal on. So this was the last product, I guess. Yeah, it's the last product, and I'm done with all the unboxing. Let me show you guys an overview of the products which I got in this haul. Here are all the items which I got in this haul. I hope you guys will like it. And if you guys want more video like this, make sure to subscribe and like. That will be super duper awesome. And I will see you in the next video. Till then, peace out. Bye bye.